Mastercard is hiring candidates for the role of software engineer. The location they have given is Pune. In this video, let me see what are all the eligibility criteria and how you can apply for this particular role in Mastercard. The job title is software developer, and the job overview is provides supports of application software through programming analysis, design, development, and delivery of software solutions. Mostly, you will be working in development side. It may be mostly the backend side where you will be using programs for transaction purposes and other purposes too. And they have given like major accountabilities are responsible for programming, unit testing, documentation, maintenance, and support of system application, software in adherence with MasterCard standards, process and best practices, develop high quality, secure, scalable software solutions based on technical requirements, specifications, and design artifacts within expected time and budget, research, create, and evaluate technical solutions, alternatives for the business needs, current and upcoming technologies and frameworks. These are some of the major accountabilities. Please read these things because you may be getting from these questions they will be asking questions. They have mentioned like if they have mentioned like unit testing, they will be asking questions in interview about the unit testing. So please read these major accountabilities so that you can able to crack interview questions too. Then they have given like the education eligibility is like bachelor degree in information technology, computer science, or management information systems, or equivalent work experience can be needed. And knowledge or the experiences, thorough knowledge and understanding of software engineering concepts and methodologies is required. Most demonstrate MC core competencies. Freshers or 1 year of experience in software engineering field can able to apply for this job role. And the skills or abilities are they are needed is must be high energy, detail oriented, and proactive with the ability to function under pressure in independent environment, must provide the necessary skills to have a high degree of initiative and self motivation with willingness and ability to learn and take on challenging opportunities, ability to work as a member of matrix based diverse and geographically distributed project team, multi-terrain web application deployment know-how. Technologies are like Oracle database, strong in PL or SQL, and advanced PL or SQL techniques. Performance tuning, participate in code reviews, technical and functional. Payment domain knowledge will be added value advantage, and core Java and IBT's knowledge. These are the things they have been looking for. Okay, now let me see how you can apply for this particular job role. The job role type is full time and it is posted 10 days ago. So apply as soon as possible. Now let me see. After clicking this apply now button, you will be redirected to this work page. Like this work page is like workday work page. Mostly when you are applying for any roles in workday, you have to create your account for each and every company. Before signing in, you should create your account. Just create this click this create now button, and you will be entering your email id, password, and verify your password. They will be sending the verification email to your mail id you have given. Using those links you can verify your email, and after that using those credentials you can able to sign in. And let me tell what all the basic details they will be asking after signing in. After signing in, they will be asking like you can apply with LinkedIn, or you can apply with resume, or you can apply with manually. These are things they will be asking. After that you can give all your information details like your resume, your educational qualifications, your skills, and where you are studied, and your address and your mobile number. And they will be asking some personal questions too. You can answer for those questions, and after for completing all those things, you will be reviewing your application form and you can submit your application form. After submission, you will be getting a mail from Mastercard, like thank you for applying for this job role, and they will be mentioning what you can be done after the after the registration. So read the email ID so that you can get the clear cut idea. All the best for your Mastercard software engineer interview process.